Okay, so here is a multi-angle rotation Bluetooth octopus tripod from BlitzWolf. You can buy this at Banggood.com, and you can find links down below in the description text with some codes, some promo codes to buy this even cheaper. But first let's unbox this, and then later on we try it with one of my phones, and then we see some specs and so on later on in the video. So let's open this box. And this tripod should be compatible with both mobile phones and GoPro cameras and so on. So that's pretty nifty. Okay, the package is empty, and we have some user manual as usual, as you can see. And here we have a Bluetooth remote that you can use, so you don't have to be near the camera or the phone. That's pretty nifty. And a battery should be included in this. Nice. Let's try that out later on. And here we have a battery for that. And here is a mobile phone holder that you can mount on the tripod. Should fit most mobile phones. Hopefully my large, huge iPhone XS Max too. It feels a bit tight for that maybe, but let's see that. Okay, and here we have some more documentation. And here we have a GoPro holder and other cameras probably. Nice. And here we have the tripod itself. As you can see, pretty nifty and feels very nice. Very nice. Very sturdy, and rubber-like legs on this one. Nice. Let's see that. As you can see, very nice. So I like that. Very nice. I like the quality of this. As you can see, a BlitzWolf logo. Very nice. And you should be able to easy mount this tripod anywhere. Very nice. I like it. The quality for this tripod is actually very good. So let's try it with a mobile phone holder and one of my phones, and also this Bluetooth remote, so we can see if it works. Okay, so it was very easy to pair this remote control with my mobile phone. This phone is a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but it works with iPhone and much more phones. So when you pair this by Bluetooth, you have a button on the side here, and you drag that to on, and then you find that as a pairing option in your Bluetooth settings on the phone, and then it's paired. Very easy. So now when I click on this button, I take a photo, as you can see there, and it works with video too. So I can start the video, as you see there, and I can stop it. So it works with both video and still photos. This pretty nifty remote control, and you have around 10 meters in length, so you can be 10 meters from this about. So that works really nifty. So I really like this tripod and the remote, so I will use this a lot, I'm sure of it. Very, very nice. I love it. And as you can see, the build quality is awesome on this BlitzWolf tripod. Very, very nice. I like it. So let's see some specifications now. Okay, so here you can buy this excellent tripod from Banggood.com, and the BlitzWolf multi-angle rotation Bluetooth octopus tripod selfie stick for phones and sport camera, and this one is black. And here we have some images of how you can use this and so on, as you can see. And as I said, very, very good build quality, and you find links down below in the description text where you can buy this. And down here we can see more specs and so on. Here it is, the BlitzWolf BW-BS7 is this tripod, and I can highly recommend it. And you can easily mount cameras as exactly as you want and so on. And it's waterproof, and you can have it on your bike and use your GoPro camera. You can do a lot of different things with this one. And it's made of a rubber, very flexible, as you can see. Very nice. And as I said, it's waterproof. You can have it for do excellent photos in water, as you can see here. And you have a handle mode. This is pretty nifty. You can use it for selfies and so on. Very nice. And as I said, on bikes, it's excellent on bikes for live videos, for example. And the remote works perfectly fine. It was very easy to pair this with your phone, for example. And as I said, 10 meters control range. Very nice. And multi-angle mount head for different phones. I'm a bit skeptical that this worked with my iPhone XS Max though, because it was very, very hard to mount my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So I think that's the maximum width of the phone, but we will see that later on when I've used this more. And here we have the different parts of the tripod, different cameras that you can mount and so on, as you can see. And you can easily carry this with you in your bag and so on. Very nice. 52mm high, and you can use it like that. Very nice. I like that. No, it's 28 by 5mm high, sorry. You have a width of 52mm. Okay. So, and it fits most of the devices, as you can see, maximum 85mm. 85mm in width with this mount. Here are all the parts that's in the package, as you saw when I did the unboxing of this. Very nice. So, and here I have this, you have the specs. Very nice. So, I can highly recommend this tripod. It was very nice. Very, very nice. So go check the links down below in the description text of this video, and you have some promo codes there, so you can buy this even cheaper. Okay, bye.